Hey guys, and in this video, it will be a very interesting video. I hope you will like it. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to restore a book, and primarily what I'll be talking about is this is a segment where we will be primarily digitizing the content and we'll be formatting the content so as to we can reuse the content or we can print the content properly. So, what do I mean by that? Here you can see this is a PDF. This is published by us. So this is a study material that we have published, and here you can see the quality and everything. It is properly formatted. It is the there is an image. This is the H1. This is the primarily the title of the chapter, and these are the headings. This is H2 or H1, whatever that is. These are the primary headings, and the body and the important terms have been highlighted, so it is easier to read. So this is what we primarily call typesetting, or you can call it properly formatting the content. So you can call it with anything that you want, but what I'm trying to convey here is whenever we are getting content like this. So for example, this is a content, and as you can see, this has been scanned, and I'll also show you how you can scan a book and properly how it is done. So this is a very old book, looks like a very old book. So here you can see these are these scratch marks here, and I'll also show you when there are bookworms, right? A specific worm basically eats through the page when the paper is very old. So these are the marks. These are the small marks here. You can see before the paper is completely destroyed. This is what happens, and then the paper basically crumbles. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the kind of worm that happens, and that is perfectly natural because this happens because the book is stored for a very long period of time. The book is very old. This is what happens, and because of this what happens is if it is a very old book and this is a one-off book, so the content will be lost because the paper is eaten away. So it is very important to digitize the whole thing altogether, and now I'm going to show you. For example, this is the content here. So how do we format it? How do we make it properly formatted so we can reprint it again, and it can be done through consent. And primarily I would suggest you, and this this is a program that we are launching in-house. This is not public, to be honest, but what we are planning to do here is we are going to take the old books, or very out of print books, copyright free books, and we will be looking to restore those books and make it available in the market, in the global market as well, and in the Indian market as well. So if you have a book which is very old and which you want to be restored, so you can send it to us and you can contact us. The contact number is given on the description below. You can visit our website, and we basically involved in printing a book, publishing a book, and selling it online. So I'm from Kitablin, and I'm Ambershnath. I'm the founder of Kitablin. So I'll be showing you how we do it, what are the processes that we follow. This is primarily the second stage. First stage is to basically get the book in hand, make sure that the book is readable, and then we scan the book, we digitize the book. And now what I'm going to do is the second part, where we are going to extract the text, format it properly, and then we are going to finalize it. Okay. So do we need to do? We do it very simple way. That is what I'm going to show you. So what we are going to do here is we are going to open up a document, a folder. And for example, I have opened this up, and then I will open up a Google document. And now I would use very simple tools, because there are many OCR, optical character recognition tools, available in the market, but I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use free of cost OCR tools which is available. It is given by Google itself. So it's a very simple and easy process. So for example, let me take this story. Okay, so I'll be taking this story, Kolite Ashcharya, and I'll be using a different language altogether, because English is much easier to OCR, but difficult, English, Bangla, non-English text, that is Bangla, Hindi, or any other Urdu, Arabic, something like that. It will be very difficult. So for English, there are multiple softwares which are available in the market. Free OCR, English OCR software. You can just upload your PDF and it will give you the text. But now I'm going to use a non-English text, because I want to give you a overview how you can use it to extract text which are difficult and which softwares typically cannot recognize. There are many free softwares. I've used them over a period of time, and right now I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the simplest and the cheapest form, the free form. So it's a very simple and easy process. Now I'm going to use Google image search. Okay. and I'm going to search Google image search. And now I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to click on this. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take a screenshot. I'm just going to take a screenshot, and then I'm going to paste it here. So as you can see, it will scan it, and then what I'm going to do here is select all, copy, and then I'm going to paste here. So now the text is being copied here. So I'm going to change the font, whichever font which is convenient. I use Noto Serif because it looks really great, and I'm going to increase the font size. I'm going to make it, I think, 16. Yeah, I'm going to make it 16 for the timing, and then you can format it properly. You can write the text whatever that is there. So here what I'm going to see here is I'm going to check whether the spelling and everything is perfect or not. So I'll be reading in Bangla. So if you do not understand Bangla, don't worry. I'll be telling you that okay, this spelling is wrong, this word is wrong. I'm going to fix it. So here patre সন্ধান পাইল দু ঠিক হইল মেয়ে দেখিবার, পাত্রের সন্ধান পাইল দু ঠিক হইল মেয়ে দেখিবার, ছেলের পিতা সঙ্গে সঙ্গে চলিল তাহার, যারা দেখতে এলো দুটো দু তারা দেখলো অন্য একটি মেয়ে, মেয়ে দেখে মুগ্ধ হয়ে ঠিক করিল বিয়ে। যারা দেখতে এলো দু তারা ওকে, দ্যাট ইজ ফাইন। দেখলো অন্ত দেখে অন্ত একটি মেয়ে, দেখে অন্য একটি মেয়ে, ওকে। This is something which even OCR is able to read properly. That is amazing. মেয়ে দেখে মুগ্ধ হয়ে ঠিক করিল বিয়ে, মেয়ে দেখে মুগ্ধ হইল ঠিক করিল বিয়ে. So this is in a written in a separate line. So I'll be formatting wherever the comma is, I'll be formatting it. Okay, very easy and simple. I'll be doing it all together, and this is how it is done. And because this is center aligned, no, this is not center aligned, this is left aligned. So I'll be keeping this, and the name of the book is what? The name of the book is বাঁশের ঘরে সন্তান ও তিনটি হত্যাকাণ্ড. I'll be writing it down, and again what I'll do is I'll just click here, I'll paste the image, and Google will primarily give me this. Oh, sometimes this will miss it, right? So I will make sure that I'm not missing it out. And so the book's name is this. So I'll make it title, center aligned, and that is O. I'll use, Google is amazing. Google has helped us a lot, and we have to use it properly, right? ও বাঁশের ঘরে সন্তান ও তিনটি হত্যাকাণ্ড, কাণ্ড, হত্যাকাণ্ড, হত্যাকাণ্ড. I'm going to copy this. হত্যাকাণ্ড, হত্যাকাণ্ড. So if there is a spelling mistake, you have to obviously fix it. And this is the title of the book. And if I want to center align this, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a table here. I'm going to insert a table here, and then I'm going to fix it, put it here, and then I'm going to drag it all together. Just make it smaller. I'll show you a trick. uh, most of the books we make it in Google. Sorry for my coughing because I'm having a sore throat. Middle, yeah. And now what I'm going to do here is 0, so then it becomes center aligned. So that is the biggest advantage. And yeah, this is the book's name, and Kobita Arumbo, and make sure that you're not doing any copyright violation. I'm just showing you how we restore books, old books. These are very old books, out of print books. So I'm going to format it properly. I've made a video where I've taught how to format a book. Now I'm going to go to the next page. Or I can also take advantage of ChatGPT as well. So format this text as per the image given. So image, I've put the screenshot here and the text here. Next page. Looks perfectly fine. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to go to the next page. I have not taken a screenshot properly. So this is the advantage of the software which are free of cost. You can take advantage of this. So I'm going to show you the whole process. I'm not going to skip anything in between. So I'll just complete the whole thing. So yeah, the whole book is done. It is 8 pages long, and every part of it is done very easily. So yeah, that's about it. This is how easily you can do it. Restore your book, and takes a little bit of time. And because I have done it so many times, that for me it is much easier. So for you, it might not be that. You might not be take slowly and gradually. You have to do it. Okay, and I hope you have understood this. And this is how you restore a book, restore this text, and then you can format it as per your own. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you found this useful, this video useful. And if you have any question or queries, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you need any help, please let me know in the obviously comment section. And also, if you want to print your book or if you want to publish your book, so you can contact us on kitablen.com. Visit our website for more details. Link is given in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. And wish you all the best. And keep restoring old books so it is available for the future generation.